Good day everyone and welcome to Miro. My name is Ted de Boer and I'm a product manager at Miro Distribution South Africa. Today I will be doing an unboxing video on two wireless access points from a brand called IgniteNet. IgniteNet is very well known for their 60 gig point-to-point and point-to-multipoint offerings, but they do also offer customer premises equipment in the form of access points, two of which I will be unboxing today. I'll show you what they look like, what's in the box, touch a little bit on their features, and then also discuss why these two access points are unique. Let's get into it right away. Right, to start off, let's put this one to the side for a minute. We'll get there shortly. First off, we have the IgniteNet Gateway AC1200. This is more like a home or small business type of access point. You will see also in the form factor a bit later. As soon as you open the box, you are welcomed by a little introductory piece of paper here. This will take you to the website and assist you with getting started. There's a QR code which you can scan with your phone, so you can even do it on your cell phone. Let's start with this unboxing. Let's have a look. It's very nicely packaged, as you can see. Here we go. Right, so to start off, as you can see here, there's a bunch of LED lights for power, 2.4 gig access, 5 WAN, LAN, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then if you have a look at the back here, there's a power port, your two SMA connectors, power port over here, then there's a USB port as well over here, your reset button, 4 gigabit LAN ports as well as your WAN port. Now further in the box we have 12 volt PSU, which you can use to supply power to the unit. There's a LAN cable included as well, and then your two antennas, which are very easy to screw on. Those are both 2.4 and 5 gigahertz each. So you have a nice dual band, small form factor access point. You can just pop into a corner. It's nice and unobtrusive. It's not super flashy, so it doesn't take away from your interior design that much. Yeah, that's basically what this access point is. 2.4, 5 gigs dual band, 4 gigabit Ethernet ports. We have a WAN port. Setup is fairly easy. You can use it as a standalone unit. It has WDS bridging as well, so you can pair two of them together should you want to do that. Then furthermore, should you want to deploy more of these, you can manage them through the IgniteNet cloud. I'll get back on that a little bit later. Let's put this to the side here, and I'll leave this here in the corner. Then, secondly, the bigger brother of the IgniteNet Gateway is the IgniteNet Spark AC Wave 2. Let's quickly unpack this as well. If you have a look here, you can already see there's a nice big heatsink here at the back, so you won't have any overheating problems. Gives you a little bit of a close-up there. Right. Here's your ports at the back, covered by a bracket, as this unit is indoor and outdoor as well. If you'll have a look here, here's 2 gigabit Ethernet ports, one of which is PoE in, so you can power it with the PoE Ethernet adapter, 48 volt, 802.3 AF. Then there's a reset button, your USB port, and a standard DC power port as well. Now, what makes this unit unique, as I said earlier, it's both indoor and outdoor. It's 2x2 multi-user MIMO dual band with about 200 concurrent users. Now, this, other than this little unit over here, which is mainly aimed at desktop type of deployments, this you'll be either mounting on a wall or on a ceiling. Now, in the box you will also find, let's have a look here, your 12-volt power adapter again, and then you'll see here there's a little bracket as well, which you can use to screw into the wall and then slide over this unit. Let me show you how that works quickly. There's a set of screws and plugs as well included. Let's see if I can get this right the first time. You can see here it says, let me just give you a close up there. It says up, which means obviously that unit goes like this, and you can just slot it in. It's as easy as that. Alright, now you've seen the units, you've seen what they look like. Apart from this, as I said earlier, the IgniteNet units or access points are all manageable through the cloud. This cloud system, anything over 2 devices will incur a fee of $99 a year, but then your account is physically unlimitedly scalable, so you can manage thousands of sites and devices. What makes this nice is that you can add add-ons, or so-called add-ons, such as Family Zone, Socify, Cloud for Wi-Fi. There's some firewalling and antivirus also included. These type of functionalities you can all manage remotely from the cloud or from your phone, and it makes for a lot of extra added functionality and versatility. The Family Zone, for example, you can manage certain websites and programs for a certain amount of time to be accessed and shut down after certain hours. It's very handy with children, for example. You can block access to certain other websites entirely, and naturally with Socify and Cloud for Wi-Fi, you can have hotspot access built into your access point, and as such, easily managed access from other users that are using this access point on a hotspot basis. Right, I think I've covered pretty much everything. Thank you for watching, and until next time.